Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and just a reminder before we get started that if you enjoy this video, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I am using the Simple Stories collection, and it is so cute. I'm just showing you a few of the die cuts that I pulled out already. Also, it's the Let's Go collection. Sorry, I got so excited. I'm also going to use a couple sheets of the pattern paper as well. When I purchased this one, I really loved that the backside had that bright gold geotag pattern, and then also the backside had this random spotted paper. So I'm using that random spotted for one side of the layout, and then the other side will just be a sheet of white cardstock, both of which are trimmed down to 4 1/8 by 8 1/8 inches. Now I'm simply going to eyeball the mat for my photo. I'm just using one photo today. I do actually have another one and I considered using it, but this layout is really more about the story than it is about the photos specifically. So I'm super glad that I have the photo as the catalyst for the story, but I really just want to talk about the story. Now the right-hand side is just going to be journaling and a handful of embellishments, and this entire layout is going to be very, very simple. So I'm just creating that little cluster over there, including that journaling bit so that I can add the computer-generated journaling. Now I know that I want to line up my embellishments in sort of a straight line above and below the photo. I want to sort of mimic the lane of a road since this is a driving layout. So like envisioning a straight line going right through the layout. So that right there, that's basically what I was thinking about. I just wanted it to be like if you drew a straight line down the center, that it would all just flow that way. So I'll adhere the little bust down, and then I'm going to use the foam adhesive to pop up the top of this one just to give the page a little bit of dimension. Now, these are my favorite foam squares. Everybody has their own particular favorite. I love how thick these are. You only need one, and it really gives it a lot of height, and I love it. Now the little globe, I'm going to have it hang off the edge just a tiny bit so I can trim it, and then therefore it will sit flush against the edge and really pull your eye over to the left-hand side of the layout where the photo is. So I'll trim that little edge right off, and look at that, so cute. So honestly, the page is just about done. I mean, a little bit of journaling here and there, but that's really it. Now I did go to my stash and pull out some enamel dots. I don't purchase these new anymore. I have so many in my collection that are from old things that I thought I would just add a few of these from my stash to add a little bit of additional texture. I love just the little added bits of color. All right, so I printed my journaling on the computer. This is a scrap, a quite large one, of printer paper. So I'll just trim that little bit off, and then I'll save the rest for the next time. And then I'm simply going to peel the back off and then just add my journaling to that little journaling bit. I considered using my handwriting, but I wouldn't have been able to get as many words on there because my handwriting is a lot bigger. Now, I liked this layout like this, I really did, but I felt like it was missing something. So I decided to take the yellow geotag side and just edge the top and the bottom of the right-hand side of the layout just for that added little bit, that added little extra pop. And that's it for me. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.